there. Happy Friday, everybody. Ooh, I forgot to turn my light on. Marcus gets mad at me when I do that. Let's see. There we go. I think that's a good light. Let's see, which one works the best? You tell me. Maybe that one. All right. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Happy Friday. What a gorgeous, beautiful day it is outside today. It's beautiful. This is episode 118 for me. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me. It is 4 o'clock on Friday. Hope everybody had an awesome week. Hope everybody got outside, got some exercise. I was going to take today off, and I decided, wow, it's so beautiful. Let me just go for a quick walk, run. So that's what I did. Hello, Michael. Thank you for joining me. Michael, I did the peach and fig punch yesterday as my Facebook Live. Sorry you missed it yesterday. That is Michael's vodka from Black Infusions. So everybody loves it. It is a raving hit fan. I mean, it is huge here right now. My staff is selling it like crazy. It's on our cocktail list, on our cocktail menu. So thanks everybody for watching. Hello Matthew, hello Scott, hello. We just got some more Black Infusions apricot and fig vodka in stock. It just came in today. So if you are in need of something awesome and cool to make drinks at home, I highly recommend those two. They're awesome. I got some other really cool stuff, and we're going to talk about that on our Facebook Live today. No virtual school for 2 days. Sorry, Heidi. We're glad you're back. I'm assuming you're talking to me, that you weren't on my virtual schooling. That's great. This is my virtual schooling cocktail time. So I like that. That's got a great ring to it, Heidi. Marcus and I are also starting something called Wine Time Live. We are doing that probably 2, maybe 3 days a week, where we're going to talk about our stories and talk about wineries that we've been to, talk about wines. We're going to drink wine with you. Hopefully you'll grab a glass of wine while you're watching it and drink a glass of wine. You can come here, get that bottle of wine. All the bottles that we've been doing on our Wine Time Live with Jamie and Marcus are all bottles you can come here and pick up. So if you like the bottle, if you like what you see on Aroma Time, Wine Time Live with Jamie and Marcus, come in, pick up that bottle of wine. They're all available to go. So from $9.99 to $19.99, you can't beat it. These wineries are awesome. These owners are awesome. And we highly recommend you come in and grab one of those bottles of wine. You do have to get food to go as well, but we can work it out and figure out how and what you can get. You can get a burger, you can get a salad, you can get wings, you can get something, take it home, enjoy that bottle of wine. So let's see, today it's Friday, so it is lobster bake outside. It's lobster bake night. We're open now, actually. We open at 4 o'clock. So we are open. You can come get a lobster bake. We usually start that around 5 on Fridays. It is a whole lobster or lobster tails today, Marcus?
Got both.
We got both. So whole lobster or lobster tails for $30. We got larger lobsters now, and it's $30 for our lobster bake. That is available Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. We are still trying only to do outdoor seating. Let's see. Sorry, I meant that I'm happy we don't have to log on with the kids and deal with the connection issues for 2 days. Absolutely, Heidi. I guess I'm kind of lucky in that aspect. During this time, I don't have to do the virtual learning with my kids. Justin is in college now, and he gets to do it on his own. He seems to be super happy up at Canisius, so thumbs up to Canisius up there. They're doing a great job. He seems to be super happy. He is so happy. He starts baseball practice on Monday, so I got to talk to him a little bit. He's super psyched about getting all of his baseball gear. His locker will be loaded with his clothes and hanging up for him, so that's really awesome. I can't wait to hear from him. He's been really good. He talks to me every day. He'll FaceTime me almost every day, or we talk on the phone, or we text. So that has been awesome. Boy, I miss him. Aroma Time misses him, but he's doing well. So let's see. Hello, Cheryl. I see lots of people joining, so thank you. If you're watching me live, if you could just leave a comment, hashtag live. If you're watching this on the replay, hashtag replay. This is a brand new drink. I have not made this drink with these ingredients before, so I'm really psyched about it. We had a distributor, a spirits geek come in yesterday and show us some really cool stuff. I'm so excited. We are going to be making a rum and pineapple old fashioned today. So this rum, I believe, is from El Salvador. So this is a new rum we just brought in. It's an 8-year-old aged rum. It's on our shelves as well. I got to figure out how much to charge for it. I haven't gotten that far yet. Sorry about that. I apologize. So an 8-year-old rum on our shelves. I'll get pricing for it. It's awesome. It's delicious. And then this is awesome. This is a rum liqueur made in New Orleans. I am so psyched about this. Roulazon is what it's called, a roulazon, the French Creole term for the sugarcane harvest. So this is a rum liqueur. This also is available. This on the rocks, or even just, I don't know, this is awesome. I can't wait to have some of this. It's really good. It's got a little sweetness to it. So in my old fashioned today, I'm actually not going to use agave or simple syrup. I'm actually going to use this liquor, this rum liquor. So I'm super psyched about it. So, all right, we're going to start my old fashioned. So old fashioned, you need some cherries, you need some orange, you need some bitters. And then in my rum old fashioned, I'm using, it's a pineapple rum. So pineapple juice, rum, and this Ameri Roulazon rum liqueur. So I am going to start with some pieces of orange. I'm going to drop them into my glass. I am going to grab 2 cherries, a little bit of cherry juice, and I'm going to add some bitters, some Hella bitters. I'm going to put 10 drops of Hella bitters in there. I am going to mash that up. So I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm going to mash that up and release all of the oils and the juices from the orange and the cherry. I am going to add a splash of pineapple juice. Now, you could use pineapple if you have fresh pineapple at home. Muddle that right in there as well. So there you have the concoction. I'm going to add maybe like a ½ ounce of the rum liqueur. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of this awesome rum. It's called Kihutan, I think. I don't know. I can't really pronounce it. Can you pronounce it, Marcus? Kihutan, Ron de El Salvador Indigo Aged 8-year rum. Thank you everybody for watching. There's lots of people on today, so thank you. Hello Connie, hello Joe. So thank you. I see a lot of people on today. Just mixing that up. Whoop. And I am going to add a little bit of ice. I really can't wait to taste this. I'm super excited about it. We tried these yesterday, but I haven't made a drink with it. So I'm just gonna mix this up here. Super psyched about it. All right, let's see how this tastes. Ooh, that sugar cane comes out. That is yummy. So this is going to be on our menu probably next week. But if you come in and ask for it, I have the ingredients. I can make it for you. I can make it to go if you order food. It is a pineapple rum old fashioned. It's awesome. Isn't it good, Marcus?
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Super easy to make. You can make this at home. You don't need many ingredients. You can even drink this Ameri Roulazon at home. New Orleans Roulazon Distilling Company, right? Is that what it's called?
Yep, it's good by itself.
So it's good by itself. You just drink
Really
that.
good. So is the rum.
That is awesome. Hello, Mary. Thank you, thank you. Cheers. Happy Friday to everybody. We are open tonight. Reminder, we're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Marcus and I got so much stuff done this week. We're just super excited. So many new things, so much new stuff coming out. 2 weeks from now, or actually a week from Monday, we have another wine tasting in the garden. $25 a person. It includes 4 wines and a dish. I think Marcus is looking at making some sort of pasta dish. If you are gluten-free, we will make you a gluten-free dish. If you are vegan or vegetarian, we will make you a dish as well. We're really willing to be flexible and get you what you like to fit your dietary needs. So that is September 21st, 6:30 in our garden, social distance, wine tasting. You stay at your table, we walk around, we pour the wine for you. That will be an awesome dinner. It is Productoria di Manduria. We have the distributor, one of the owners, who is going to be here. We are going to be opening an awesome bottle of Primitivo. We have a rosada. We have the Allegia, which is, oh my God, one of my absolute favorite bottles. Allegia Primitivo, and then this is the Lyrica, sorry, Lyrica Primitivo. We have this is a rosé Primitivo, so not sweet. Look at that color, it's nice and dark. Primitivo is the Zinfandel of Italy. Marcus is going to grab the bottle of Allegia. And the Alice, their Verdecca, which we just talked about on our wine time with Jamie and Marcus 2 nights ago, or last night, I can't remember. And then we have this Allegia, which is the Reserva Primitivo from Productoria di Manduria.
That wine is
Southern Italy.
amazing.
This wine is unbelievable. If you are looking for a great bottle of wine to take home, I highly, highly, highly recommend getting this bottle of wine. It is worth the extra money. I want to say it's going to be
$29.99.
$29.99 or $34.99. We haven't priced it out yet, but it's awesome. So those 4 wines, we have Primitivo. So we have 2 whites, 2 reds, Primitivo, Rosada, the Verdecca, Alice. We have the Lyrica Primitivo, and we have the Allegia Primitivo Reserva. So $25, you can't beat it, in our garden, 6:30, September 21st. Call and make your reservations. We do sell out. It is 4 wines and a dish for $25. So many cool things going
Strip
on
steak
here.
sale?
Oh, I forgot to mention, we have a strip steak sale going on right now. Instead of $14.99 a pound, it's $9.99 a pound. So $5 off a pound.
Super limited.
Super limited. Once we run out, we run out. And I've gotten tons of calls already today. So if you want strip steaks, call now, order now. Come pick it up today or tomorrow. They will sell fast. $14.99 is the regular price. They're $9.99 right now. Is it grass-fed?
Grass-fed, grass-finished.
Strip steak. Grass-fed, grass-finished strip steaks, $9.99 a pound. So let's
There's
see.
a video on our Facebook on how to buy strip steaks.
Oh, there's a video on our Facebook how to buy strip steaks. So
where I actually cut the strip loin.
Marcus is cutting the strip loin. I don't know if you can hear him
No,
in
it
the
has
background.
almost has 2,000 views overnight.
Wow.
It's got a lot of views.
Awesome. Great job. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope everyone has an awesome weekend. It's supposed to be nice. The weather changed for Sunday. No rain anymore, so that's cool. Maybe a little overcast. Our fire pit is roaring. Our garden is open. We are ready to rock and roll for the night. We're excited. And it looks like I have to make some drinks. So I am going to say goodbye. Happy Friday. Enjoy everybody. Cheers. And we'll see you maybe this weekend. I might get on this weekend. Maybe by the fire pit I'll do something. So enjoy. We'll see you soon.